Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today in this video I'm showing you how to wire a bonsai tree. Wiring is a tricky technique to master. Try to wire two branches of similar thickness located near each other with one piece of wire, double wiring, where possible, and wire the remaining branches separately, single wiring. Wire all the branches you intend to shape before actually bending them. When wiring an entire tree, work from the trunk to the primary branches and then start wiring the secondary branches. As a rule of thumb, use wire 1/3 of the thickness of the branch you are wiring. The wire should be thick enough to hold the branch in its new shape. Both wiring techniques will be discussed in more detail now, and information about how to safely bend the wired branches will be provided at the end of this page. A step-by-step guide follows below. Using the right wire and bonsai tools will help significantly. Please like and share, subscribe my